here's how you create sports glasses. Start with a simple plane, minimize segments, polygonize it, symmetrize it, work on the base shape, add more segments, shift extrude those temples, refine base shape further, detach glasses from frame, refine those glasses, adjust that topology a little, separate those temples. Time for dramatic shapes. Define that form. Refine those lens. Make them look like eyelids. Time for a hinge. Define that hinge. Add some gloss to the frame. Add some grunge to the frame. Make those lenses refractive. Search for the right color. Make that background bright. Add some depths of my soul. I mean field. And finally, enjoy the result.